Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my Ulta 20% haul that I got. I did have quite a few points that I cashed in for most of this, and yeah, and then I got 20% off. So I got a lot of stuff. I got a couple huge sample bags, which are always fun. Maybe I'll go through those first, but let's just get started. I did just do a get ready with me with this look, just talking and explaining the products that I'm using. If you want to watch that, I'm not sure if that will be posted before or after this, but it will be coming or has come. So let's get into it. First, we got this skincare sample bag. I'm not going to go through all the little packets, like the foil packets, because those I just don't think are fun. But the bigger items, I got this Curel #1 in Japan for sensitive skin. It has, I think, a face lotion, which is basically an essence, and a cream, so probably just a nice moisturizer. So I got that. I got the cleanser from Mario Badescu, which I already own and love. I also got this calming and distressing night face cream. I've never heard of this brand. I guess basically a face cream. Bota is the brand. I don't know. I got a First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I think I got this in my lore box in December. I'm pretty sure I did, but I love that. My kids actually like that moisturizer as well. I also got a Grown Alchemist face cleanser. This looks really neat. I haven't used much from this company, so I'm really excited to try this out. Hopefully it'll be good. I did get a Belief Aqua Bomb. These are my favorite, one of my favorite moisturizer. I got the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, which I love also. I do not own that, but I have had quite a few samples and really enjoyed them. I also got the Welleda, I don't know if that's how you would say that, Welleda cream. I guess it's just a moisturizer. I'm not totally sure, but I can always use those in our house. They never go without. I did get a Kiehl's Herbal Cleanser. I do really like Kiehl's products, so I'm really excited to try that out. I think it'll be good. I got the Boscia Luminizing Black Mask. I've actually tried this before. It's not my favorite. Not that I don't like it, but I know one of my daughters loved this, so I'll probably pass that to her. What else did we get? I got this It Confidence in a Gel Lotion. I wonder if this is new, because I know they have the Confidence in a Cream, but Confidence in a Gel. I also got the, I don't know how to say this company, Vanilla Co. Clean It Zero. I want to say I saw this on a Korean skincare. I think it might be a Korean skincare, but I'm not sure. Sorry, I don't know. And then a bunch of foil packets. Oh, a couple more things at the bottom. I got, let's see, this is the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. I'm not sure if I've tried this one yet, but sounds interesting. I do like gel masks. I think they're easier to sit around in than something that dries, really tight on your skin. And then last, besides not counting all the little foil things, is the #7 Firming Booster Serum, which I've been wanting to try this, but I feel like it is so expensive for a drugstore. I feel like this is a drugstore because you can get it at Target, but drugstore, higher end drugstore brand. But I've heard really good things about this, so I'm interested to try that. That was everything that was in this bag. I don't remember how we got that. And then they also have this one, so I don't know if they went together or if this is two different ones, but let's see what's in this. This has Eviance I don't even know how to say that, but it's a mud mask, which I do like mud masks. I think they work really nice. They definitely, I feel like, give a good deep cleaning when you use them, so I'll definitely give that a try. This is Tula Exfoliating Treatment Mask. So is it a cleanser or a mask? It is a mask, so it's an exfoliating mask. So I'm wondering if you probably, when it's dry, you wet it and it kind of gets some grit and you can scrub it off, which I actually do enjoy those. We also got this Skin Iceland Arctic Hydration Rubberizing Mask. How weird. Look at the picture, you guys. She's like pulling it off her skin. I don't know. I haven't used really anything from Skin Iceland. I think I have tried one product, but I don't really remember. Oh, so this is weird. You like mix 2 packets in this little tub or bowl, and then you put it on and it must dry rubbery. Weird. That'll be fun to try. Couple foil packets, some eye masks and a gold mask. And then there is Mario Badescu Super Collagen Mask. This must be all their masks because that's what seems they all are. Come on. I do like Mario Badescu products. I feel like they're just very affordable and good. I like their eye cream and it's so cheap. This is the Juice Beauty Detox Charcoal Mask. Looks like we're going to be doing a lot of masks at our house, which my girls won't mind. So that looks fun. And then the last thing in here is by, I never know how to say this, Momade? I don't know. It's a pore clean clay mask. And I think I have one daughter that would love this. So she will probably try this one. But I do like this brand. I know they are Korean. I had a toner from them and really enjoyed that. So that were all the free samples that I got, quite a bit. So like I said, we had a 20% coupon sent to us from Ulta, and then I had some points I wanted to cash in, so I did kind of all of that at the same time. And I got quite a few replacement products and a few new stuff. So let's get started. I got 4 things from The Ordinary. First is the Vitamin C Suspension, 23%. I have tried their Vitamin C Serum, and which I really do like, but I've heard really good things about this, and these are so affordable that I thought I'll give it a try. So the vitamin C that I normally use is the Absorbable Tetrasulfalmitrate solution, 20% in vitamin F. I really do enjoy this a lot. This looks like it might be a little less intense than this one, being 23%, but I'm not sure what the difference is. Maybe I'll have to look, but I know I like this one, so we'll see. This one's a cream. This one's obviously a liquid. So those, and I just love how The Ordinary is so affordable. Except for this one product. This is the Buffet Copper Peptides 1%. I already have used this. This will be my 3rd bottle. Hello. This will be my 3rd bottle. I think this is 100% worth it. It is like $29. So it's the most expensive thing that I've seen from their brand. Everything else, I swear, is under 10 bucks. A couple things like under 15. But this, I think, is so worth it. And then the last thing I got is the lactic acid 10%. This I get to use instead of the Sunday Riley Good Genes. I think that it does very similar to that. I use this in the morning, every other morning, and it works great. All right, I'll do all the skincare stuff first. I think I'll have one more skincare. And it is the ROC, or R-O-C, Daily Resurfacing Disc. I saw someone talk about these. I honestly can't remember who, but my daughters and my son love to wash their face and then use one of these type wipes and then put moisturizer on. That's all they do. And so these were on sale. I can't remember how much, but I thought I'd throw them in there and try it. And I believe you had to order so much in skincare to get this bag. Again, I'm not sure if this, the last few masks, was included in that or how I got that, but so that must have been the amount to get that sample pack. So let's do makeup. So the first thing that I got was the No Problem Primer from Touch in Sol. I actually got this because a friend I talked to, she said this was absolutely so good and she received it in a subscription box. I have never tried anything from Touch in Sol. This was actually on sale for I think $12, normally $20, and I thought I would try it, throw it in there and try it. I did get one foundation. This is the Soap and Glory Kick A All Day Wear. I think that's another language. Sweat proof, 24-hour wear, which who wears their foundation for 24 hours? If you do, you really shouldn't do that. But I guess you could with this. It says it will last that long. So we'll see. I have to guess on the color. Let's see, what color did I get? How do you know what color? I want to say maybe 03 because that's what's right here on this sticker. But once that comes off, yep, shade 3. It's actually on the bottle too. Shade 3. We'll see if that's a good match. I did get 2 powders. One is from J. Cat Aqua Assurance Compact Foundation. I actually saw Kathleen Lights talk about this in her 2019 favorites. She said this was very similar to the Makeup Forever powder that came out last year, which I do own and do love. And this is obviously a more affordable brand, or, well, yes, brand, and you know, so the cost of it is a lot cheaper. But I'm assuming it's waterproof, being Aqua Insurance, right? Okay, so it says it has a water lock system to maintain moisture with the powder. So I guess it doesn't really mean it's waterproof. It just should be hydrating. I don't know, sounds interesting. The other compact I got was from Makeup Revolution. This is the Satin Matte Powder Foundation. Oh, you're gonna see my camera, so maybe I should hold it kind of like this. So I'm not sure I don't know anything about this. This does have hyaluronic acid and cannabis sativa. Don't know how I feel about that, but whatever. All right, I did pick up another J. Cat Stay Insurance concealer. This is supposed to be waterproof, and I got the color Vanilla Bean. This is one step darker than the other one that I already own, and I'm hoping this works better as far as not as brightening. I do like the other one. I just don't want to always look bright. I mean, I do, but I don't. All right, I did get one brow product. This is a sculpting brow pencil from Ulta Beauty. This was actually on sale. I had heard, again, I don't remember who, someone talking about this brow pencil. Really wanted to try it and see what it's like. So I thought I would throw that in. And then I got 3 cheek products, and that will be this entire haul. I got the Buxom Wonderlust Primer Infused Blush in the color Ibiza, and people have been talking about this all year, and I kept putting it off, and then I swear in everybody's 2019 favorites mention this blush. And so I was like, I'm just gonna try it. I was gonna get Dolly, which is the color everyone talks about, but it is quite dark. I wanted more of a wearable, everyday or year-round color that I could use, and so I got a pink. It actually is really, really gorgeous and really smooth. I'm probably dumb that I waited so long to try this out, but I really wanted to try that. And then I got 2 drugstore cheek products. I think both of these are new to both lines. I got the Maybelline Cheek Heat in the color Pink Scorched. So this looks like those cloud paints from Glossier, or I don't know if they're called cloud paints, or if that's the product from Flower Beauty. But I got that one, and then Milani also came out with one. They're called the Cheek Kiss, and I got the color in Pink Flirt. So they're probably gonna be similar in color, although this one looks a little more brighter, this one looks a little more muted, so hopefully they'll be a little bit different. I like pink blushes, which is why I went for the pink color instead of a peach or a nude or a mauve or something that I could wear, I think, a little bit more of the year. So that is everything that I got in this humongous Ulta haul. I love Ulta. So as always, let me know if you own any of these products and what you think. And yeah, I'm really happy with everything that I got. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.